Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a sneak peek on a Stihl item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Appreciate you guys watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be a sneak peek. I'm still waiting for the combi motor, the KM131R combi motor, and the brush cutter head attachment. But this is a little sneak peek. I guess you can consider the Dr. Pepper and cream soda in sneak peek as well, because it just came out. But this is the trimmer head, and this hole right here is actually for a little metal bar. You can actually lock this head so you can physically take this trimmer line head off if you want to put a brush cutter or something else on it. This is the attachment system that Stihl makes. But just quick little sneak peek. Hopefully today we will be getting the combi motor and everything picked up from MoPower landscaping and supply store. Let's give a shout out. If I can find any information on MoPower in Mesa, Arizona, I will put that information either down here somewhere, or I might link a card, I don't know. But I appreciate you guys' time. It's just a quick little sneak peek kind of video of what might be on the channel soon. We're going to probably be doing some videos on yard work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.